Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust the back seat of your EcoSport. First, locate the release levers or straps, typically found at the base of the seat cushion near the floor. Firmly pull this lever or strap upwards to disengage the seat's locking mechanism. Before moving the seat, always ensure the surrounding area is completely clear of any items or obstacles to prevent damage or injury. This initial step is crucial for a smooth adjustment process. Next, to fold the seat back down, look for a release button or handle usually located on the top outer corner of the seat's shoulder. Press this button or pull the handle to release the seat back's locking mechanism. Once released, gently push the seat back forward. It should then lay down flat, creating a larger cargo area. This is perfect for transporting longer items or increasing your storage capacity. Some EcoSport models offer a reclining feature for the rear seats. If yours does, find the recline lever, typically on the side of the seat near the door. Pull this lever and adjust the seat to your preferred angle for passenger comfort. Additionally, to create even more space or for better visibility, you can remove the headrests by pressing the small button at their base and pulling them upwards. Finally, to return the seat to its upright position, simply lift the seat back firmly until you hear a distinct click, indicating it has securely latched. After it clicks, give the seat a gentle push downwards to confirm it is fully locked and safe for passengers. Always ensure all seat belts are easily accessible and untangled before anyone sits in the back. Safety is always our top priority.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.